Now these are the ones, for some reason, when I typed up the note sheets, I just thought I'd skip over these, but hey, figured you might want to have some examples of these ones. So number 13 says set builder notation. Rewrite the set H by listing its elements. Make sure to use the appropriate set notation. This is read H, which is the name of my set, is equal to X such that, and then they're applying these rules to that variable X. X is an integer and -4 is less than X, which is less than or equal to 0. In other words, the X is going to be between those two numbers. I'm not equal to the -4, but I am equal to the 0. Usually if I'm between two numbers, what I do is I just start and I say, okay, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Those are all my possible numbers. And then I look at the ends. If I'm not equal to one of the ends or both of the ends, I'm going to cross them off. In this case, I'm not equal to the -4, so I'm going to get rid of that from my list. I am equal to the 0, so I'm going to keep that one. It then also says that you have to use appropriate set notation. So you're going to have set symbols around your answers with commas in between each of your numbers. And so your answer will look something like that. So on number 14, we're going to rewrite the set U. Here's our set U. Using the appropriate set notation, y, such that y is an integer, a nice whole number, and -4 is less than or equal to x, which is less than -2. So again, since the x is between my two numbers, I'm just going to list all my possibilities. -4, -3, -2. And then I check my end marks. Do I keep the -4? Yep, because it has the equal to. Do I keep the -2? Nope, it doesn't have the equal to. So I'm going to get rid of that. Just have those two numbers in my set. So -4 and -3 would be my answer. Now if you go to number 15 there, here's one where the x isn't between two numbers. It says rewrite the set W by listing its elements. Make sure to use the appropriate set notation. So W is my set. Z such that, Z has to be a nice integer, and X is less than or equal to 3. So when I do my set here, I'm just going to start listing at least 3 elements in my set. So I am equal to the 3, that's my starting point, and I'm doing the numbers less than that. So 3, 2, 1, if I wanted to put 0, I could do that. But then it keeps going and going and going and going. You have to put a comma behind the last number that you use, and then there'll be a little choice that has 3 little dots. Their ellipses means it keeps going and going and going and going. And so you'll have a set that looks something like that. But you have to have at least 3 numbers. You can do more than 3, but minimum is 3 to show the pattern.